YouTube, what's up guys? Hope everyone's having a great day. Welcome back to the channel. We're doing some unboxing. As you guys saw, look at all those parts. A mountain of boxes for the Celica GTX. I'm going to slowly be installing those as we continue to build up the car in the way that I see fit. This is going to be my Toyota Tsunami Celica. As you guys saw in the thumbnail, it's awesome. We're actually in the garage. It's kind of a rainy day. We're with my Lotus. That being said, let's go ahead and start unboxing the parts and I'll show you each and every one I got. I'm really excited, and we'll do an install video for all these and I'll show you how to install all of them. We're going to start with the things available on MITCHDORE.com, so swing by MITCHDORE.com. Make sure to hit the like button for this video and let's jump into it. Alright, the first thing that we put on the car was the TRD badges. Swing by MITCHDORE.com to grab some of these. These are the first things that we put on the car. That being said, we already unboxed that, we already installed that, we're done with those. But let's go to the next thing. So number one, these are going to be the black Celica side markers. These are the JDM style. They're really nice. Let's unbox these real quick. So these are what you're going to get from MITCHDORE.com right here. These are the Celica Supra side markers. These are one of my favorite things. Completely transforms the front end of the Celica. Look how awesome those are. Dang, those are good looking. So this will be one of the mods that we're going to be doing. We'll also do some LEDs on there. So let me go ahead and grab some LEDs. Look at those. Those are so freaking good looking. Awesome. So Celica Supra side markers, they look really good. They're sharp angled. They're smoked. They make the front end of the car look amazing. Let's grab some LEDs. Next, available at MITCHDORE.com are going to be the LEDs that you would get. These are awesome. So we'll take these out. These are perfect. These are the LEDs that fit on the Supra, on the Celica side markers on the front. They make them bright LED, available on MITCHDORE.com. I also have these for the tail lights, so we'll be doing these on the tail lights of the Celica. And then let me grab the dome light one and I'll show you guys the dome light. Here is the Celica dome light that's LED. I love this thing. It is awesome. It really transforms the interior and it makes it super bright. Available on MITCHDORE.com, $5. These are so affordable. I can't recommend these enough. If you have a Celica, put this in it. This is so easy. It comes with instructions, all available on MITCHDORE.com. So we're going to start out with those. Let's go ahead to the next thing that's going to be available now on MITCHDORE.com. I was trying to start out with some of the smaller parts, so here's another smaller part. This will be available on MITCHDORE.com. The short shifter, look at that. So if you guys want a short shifter, this is awesome. This is an MWR-like short shifter. I'm really excited. I've had the MWR, I've had a TWIM short shifter. My MR2 Spider actually has a TWIM. This is the exact same quality, it's the exact same setup. If you want a short shifter, and I'll show you guys how to do a short shifter video, swing by MITCHDORE.com, they're available. You get this, you get instructions, you get the bolts to hold it down, you get a retainer clip, you get the 4 heavy-duty billet aluminum mounting points for a stiffer shift, and then you also get the 4 washers. Pretty simple, really easy, really short, turns it into a short throw, and it's much more quick, fast to land that lift. So I love that, short gears. So this will be available on MITCHDORE.com. These are going to be awesome. There'll be nice packages for you guys. So if you want a short shifter kit, swing by MITCHDORE.com. They're actually available now, so swing by there. Okay, so the next package that we have, Precision European Auto Motor Works. These are wheel lug nuts. These are pretty awesome. So look at these. I haven't even opened these yet. These are cool. So I'm pretty sure they're black, but I'm really excited for them. Yes. So they're extended. So these are gonna look awesome. Let's go ahead and open up and just take one of them out. Wow. How cool are these? Those are gonna look great. All black, gloss black, I love them. I'm gonna be using these on my new wheels. So I will update my wheels with the new lug nuts on them. How cool are these? I love these. These are awesome. That's awesome. So I think that was a good mod. I'm excited for these. These will look really good. I'll do an install video on those when I reveal my wheels. My wheels are going to be awesome, but they're not going to be a big surprise or anything, but they're going to be awesome. So let's go ahead and put that back. Alright, the next one's a big one. This is from MITCHDORE.com too. This is my physically largest thing I sell on my website. This is a cold air intake, proven, dyno proven. I actually have the dyno sheet. Dyno proven to increase horsepower. So 170. I had a cold air or a short ram intake and only did 165. And it actually gained 10 pounds of torque. I think it was a huge gain on it. I was really happy with it. Proven, dyno proven to increase horsepower. That being said, it comes with a K&N high flow air filter. Thing's awesome, beautiful, clean, very sleek. K&N, I like K&N, I always have, always ran those. And then here's the large intake. It also comes with couplers. Look at this beauty. So this is that huge intake, that's awesome. So this is the cold air intake. You can get this at MITCHDORE.com. I love it. It sits like this, just like that, and then the filter goes right here. It's a beautiful, beautiful setup. I really, really like it. So right there. So that's MITCHDORE.com. You can swing by and grab this cold air intake. Let me show you the rest of the couplings. All these couplings come with it as well. This is a mounting hardware. You get all that in there. Swing by MITCHDORE.com. Really affordable, gains horsepower. Plus, it's all black and looks awesome. It's wrinkle black. The thing is gorgeous. I love that intake. I will be putting that on my Celica GTS to increase my horsepower, along with a exhaust. All right, this might be the heaviest part. What did I get here? Mitch, what are you running? Oh, these are my springs. So I was gonna do coilovers, but I was like, no, I don't want coilovers. I like springs. I've had good experience with springs. The car has under 100,000 miles on it, so I think that the struts are in pretty good condition. That being said, I'm not really too worried. I'm not really too worried about the springs going bad. So this is what I have right here. These are Stag. I've never ran them before. I've heard mixed reviews, so hopefully they're good. Why did I buy them? Because it lowers the car by 1.6 inches. That's a lot. Most of them do it like 1.2 or 1.4 inches. This does 1.6 all the way around, so it'll look low and good. In addition, why else did I buy these? Check this out. So you can't argue with me. This is like the perfect color. Look at these. Look at these springs. It's the same color as the car. It is literally the same color as the car. You can see the car outside. It's the same color. That's crazy. So it's like a gray color. I'm really, really excited. They're not black, but it's definitely the same color as the gray. And it says Stag on there. So I was like, dude, these springs are perfect. So I'm really excited. I'll do an install video of these. I'll clean up underneath there. This will give the car a lower, better aggressive stance, while slightly improving handling. Lowering springs do slightly improve handling, I'm not gonna lie. It lowers the center of gravity of the vehicle, which makes it handle better. So, you know, you sacrifice ground clearance, but oh well. All right, we have the biggest box, the huge one, the big one. What's in here? You guys know? Auto lamps, headlights. All right, so we got one out, here we go. Here we go. Bam! Yeah! Look at those. Oh, yes, 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 yes. So this is the one that I chose. This is the same one that I ran on my previous Celica. I love these ones. They look so good. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is awesome. Those are the best. These are the best ones. These are the Anzo with the halo ring. The black housing. Look how black housing those are. They're just so perfect. I'm gonna take a little quick peek here. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Those are sick. Those are so good. So I'm really, really excited. The reason that I like these ones so much is because they're so nice. They're so modern looking, and the housing is so black on them. Perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. So I'm really looking forward to putting these. The OEM ones, I didn't have any special ones. I didn't have any of the HIDs, or the car didn't come with the one. Sometimes on the Tsunami they do paint matching, where the headlight lens actually matches the color of the paint of the car. They did it on the blue ones, they did it on the red ones. I don't know if they ever did it on this one or if it was an option or not. Really, those are really cool. I would have kept those, but mine didn't come with that. Mine just came with stock halogen basic lights, not even HIDs or anything on the Tsunami. So yeah, we got new awesome headlights. This will look good. I promise you this is gonna look good. Trust me on this one. So that's the unboxing for now. I feel like I did pretty good. I'll list some of the links down below. Look in the description box, swing by MITCHDORE.com. I haven't revealed the wheels yet, but we gotta get working on those wheels. Everyone says, what's the first thing I gotta go? Wheels. The wheels gotta go, I agree. So I haven't ordered tires for the wheels that I have, but tomorrow, or actually today right now, I am going to go and dismount the tires that are on the wheels and then take them to get them removed, and then I'll clean them up, and then I'll pick a tire from them. So let's do that. Next video, I'll just reveal which wheels I'm going to use on the Celica GTS. I think that'll be a fun video. And then we'll put them in the car, go for a drive to get rid of the tires that are on there. So I'll go ahead and actually do that now. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, any comments below. Oh, I do need to get tail lights. So on the tail lights, should I do an aftermarket tail light? I don't think I'm going to. What I think I'm gonna do is do the pink 2003 and above and replace the Tsunami, very rare Tsunami ones. People love the Tsunami ones. If you want the Tsunami ones, they're on MITCHDORE.com. They're really affordable. There's a set for sale, I think at $400. Online, and mine are 250 bucks. So if you guys want some, or just comment down below, and if you make me an offer and you want those taillights that are rare, I think they'd look really good on a white car. So if you guys want those, or if you guys like the chrome on your cars, those taillights would look good for you. So available on MITCHDORE.com. All this is pretty much available on MITCHDORE.com, but I do want new taillights. In addition, I needed to get tint, and then I think I'm gonna vinyl wrap the roof of the Celica. And then I need an exhaust, haven't done an exhaust yet. And then I need a turbo kit, and I haven't gotten a turbo kit from turbokits.com yet. But make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video, guys.